Hi guys, Pankaj here. So in this video we're going to talk about compact layout. Compact layout is what its name suggests. Compact. What is compact here is compact information. Basically it provides like a summary of information that is important to an end user. Okay. So as you could read from the first point, compact layout controls which fields your users see in the highlights panel at the top of a record. Okay, they also control the fields that appear in the expanded lookup card you see when you hover over a link in a record details. Like, what does this mean? As you can see in this image, basically this is the compact layout. It providing only the compact information or summary like account name, aim, close date, amount, and department owner. Sorry, opportunity owner. Okay, don't mind the clarity of the image. We will see it live when we move to our org. For just now understanding, you could refer this images. Okay, and what do I mean by expanded lookup? As you could see, here is account name. When we go hover over this link, we get this kind of a card. As you see, it provides just a compact information. That is what we mean by lookup card. And also compact layout also control how record display in the Salesforce mobile app. If your company uses a Salesforce, etc., etc. Okay, basically it means that if we are using a Salesforce mobile app, even there it provides the compact information which could be done using compact layout. Now we have seen what is a compact layout. Not much in this, but it's great to know about compact layout as well. Okay, who knows what the client's requirement may be. So now let's move to our org and see how compact layout looks first, and then how we could create it. Okay, and also assignment of the compact layout. So we are here in our org. So let's say go to the accounts and open any record. Okay, let's see this one. As you can see, the compact layout is like the information that is provided here, like type, phone, website, and account number, which require, like, this information could be changed based on the requirement, and we could create compact layouts as per the requirement. Okay, and now that hover over, okay, let's see this one. We hover over this, we will see the only information on that are in the compact layout. Okay, suppose account name, close date, and let's see okay, these are the 4 fields. Now let's see its compact layout. These are the only 4 fields that were available there. Okay, now we have seen how compact layout looks like and what it shows. So now let's go into our setup and see how we create one for our own requirement. Okay, this was the system default compact layout. Okay, now let's create some custom ones. We go to any object for which we want to create a compact layout. Say we want to go for the account. Okay, let's go to the account, and then we go to the compact page layout, not page layout, compact layouts. Okay, as you can see, this is the system default. Now we could create also our one by clicking on this new. After clicking on this new, let screen over. Let's say YouTube compact. Okay, just the name for that, YouTube compact. Okay, that's our spelling mistake is there. YouTube compact. Okay, that is done. And now say we want account name as one of the field, and say active, whether it's active or not. Annual revenue is one of the field that we want, and say phone rating. Okay, let's say rating and phone, and also sub other thing, website, no, and let's say amount is also there. No, amount is not the field here. Account is there, but amount is not one of the fields. Let's say we want to display billing address. So that's done. Okay, and we could also move, say we want to move certain fields up and down, we could, or if we suppose we want to move certain field to the bottom, we could do this. And suppose we want to top up, that you could do and play with this, and you will be comfortable with it in few minutes. Okay, now let's save it. Now we have created the compact layout. Okay, but the fields would not be like this, the way we created yet. Okay, if we go to the accounts and refresh it, it would not be like that still. Okay, but it's still not like that, so we need to activate it, basically assign it. So we go to this compact layout assignment. Either you go from here, or what you could do is, once you have created you just go to the compact layout assignment and just edit assignment and make it primary compact layout. Is for now, since we could only set a primary, since we have not created any record types, we will look into what is record type and how we could assign different compact layouts to different and record type in the coming videos. For now, the only option we have is a primary compact layout. Only one we could assign for now. Okay, so let's save it. We will look into more assignment in the coming details. For now, simply this is the way you need to understand to assign it. Okay, since we have assigned it, now let's go here and refresh it, and hopefully it's coming there. I don't think there would be any issue here. Okay, let's wait for it. Yeah, it's coming. Okay, account name is always this field. Account names comes here, so it doesn't come here. So that's why it's the active status, annual revenue, rating, phone number, and billing address that we added. Okay, similarly you could add fields that you want. Okay, and play with it. You will be comfortable with it in a few minutes. Okay, so that's for this video. Thank you for watching.